try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Hence, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. One guest will be required present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rates and offers are available online for this hotel along with various safety plans and payment policies. If you are planning to make free use of the travel provided in the description. For more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking a room for this hotel, then you can contact us by the link we will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell